Hey, Dave Shard, President of Forgeline Motorsports, here to talk to you about our forged monoblock wheels. What makes a forged monoblock wheel? Well, essentially it starts with a forging. And now this forging comes from the US. We continue to source all of our raw materials from the US. This is made out in California. This forging will weigh anywhere from 110 to 140 pounds. A lot of people ask why these wheels are so expensive. Well, here's a big part of it. It's 140 pound forging of 6061 T6 aluminum. After we get the forgings, we're going to put it in the lathe. Now the lathe is going to do the whole entire outside profile of the part, inside and out, all the bead seats, a cap groove if it gets a cap, and that gets it down to about 50 pounds. And then you're going to put it in the mill, and the mill is going to do everything else. It's going to put in all the spokes, it's going to put in any kind of center lock application, it's going to put bolt holes in it, the lug holes if it gets lug holes, and you're going to get a wheel like this incredible wheel that we make for the Chevrolet C8 GT3. These wheels, unlike our three-piece wheels, being a monoblock wheel, they're much stiffer and they end up being much lighter than the three-piece wheels. Three-piece wheels have a lot of flexibility and offsets and custom finishes and stuff like that, but if you want the ultimate in lightweight strength, stiffness, and durability, a forged monoblock is going to get you there because of the construction of the wheel. We can also knurl the beads to keep the tire from slipping, which is an added benefit for the race car guys, as well as finish it in any color that you could possibly imagine. That's how we make our one-piece wheels.